It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York.
Yeah. What is up, party people? I got a new hat. I'm real excited about it. The Red Wings are my favorite hockey team. Hockey's the only sport that I actually kind of care about. It's the only sport that I follow. Go Red Wings! One thing I will say is if you move to New York, have like a hat or something that is got your home state on it, because people, I was at the dog park and this girl goes, "Hey, Red Wings hat, are you from Michigan?" And I go, yes I am. And she goes, cool, me too. And it turns out she was also an actress, and she was in this new show called Single Rider, which me and my wife checked out, and it was so fun. And it took place in Lancaster, PA. We had a great time because I've spent a lot of time in Lancaster, PA. Yeah, the Single Rider is going to be open for like 2 more days, so check it out if you have time, and hopefully it comes back to the stage soon. But it was a great show, and I would see it again. Today we're talking about the Tony Awards. My thoughts on the Tony Awards and what the Tony Awards mean to me as an actor. They were pretty good this year. The Tony Awards are one of the most exciting parts of the year, where we get to watch all of our new favorite shows either get validated or snubbed. But the Tonys, while they are exciting, should not be why we do what we do. Tony does not equal success. There are so many star actors that you would be surprised have not won a Tony yet. Raul Esparza, Brandon Victor Dixon, Carrie Butler, Marin Mazzie, Judy Kuhn, Laura Linney, Titus Burgess, Meryl Streep. None of them have won a Tony yet. They probably will at some point, but maybe not. Their lack of Tony Award does not make any of their performances less memorable or incredible. I guess what I'm trying to say is most of us will never ever win a Tony Award. But it doesn't mean we can't be successful in our craft. Success is not built on awards and accolades. It is built on good work ethic and dedication to your craft. But that doesn't mean we can't get super excited when the people that we're cheering for do win a Tony. And with that, here is everybody at Bond 45 going absolutely ape when Once on This Island won the Tony for Best Musical. If you like this channel, subscribe. I'll be releasing new videos like this one every Theater Thursday at 3. Write in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you have any ideas of what you want me to make a video about, because I am up for anything, not anything. So yeah, thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.